Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet a button flower. These flowers can be made with any size buttons. For this video, I'm showing a flower using a 1 1/4 inch button. Less than 10 yards of a DK weight yarn. I'm using a C crochet hook. However, the size hook you choose depends more on the size of the buttonholes. To begin, place a slip knot on your hook. Take the button and insert it into a buttonhole. Then complete the elongated or extended single crochet. Chain 4. Single crochet in the same buttonhole. Chain 4. Single crochet in the second buttonhole. Chain 4. Move to the third buttonhole and single crochet in it. Then chain 4. And single crochet in the same buttonhole. Chain 4. And single crochet in the last buttonhole. If you notice, 2 of the buttonholes across from each other have 2 single crochet stitches in them, and 2 across have only 1 single crochet in them. Chain 4. And slip stitch to the first stitch. Check the loops. If they are way too tight or way too loose, you might need to decrease them to a chain 3 if too loose, or increase to a chain 5 if too tight. To begin round 2, we'll start in the very next loop. We're going to make stitches that increase in height. Start with a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. Then in the middle we'll do a treble crochet. Now we'll decrease the height of stitches. Start with a double crochet, then a half double crochet, and finally the smallest stitch, a single crochet. And there's our first finished petal of this flower. I'll move on to the second petal now, and we'll repeat the same stitches and process. Start with the smallest stitch and work your way up to the tallest. Double crochet. Then in the middle, a treble crochet. Now we'll decrease the height. Double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. And that's our second petal of the flower. Continue using this pattern for the remaining 4 loops on this button. You will have 6 petals once completed. At the end, make a slip stitch to the first stitch of the flower. Then you can fasten off and weave in ends. To make the smaller flowers, it's pretty much the same process, except I like to use embroidery thread or a thinner thread. Of course, if the buttonhole is smaller, you'll need to decrease your hook size down to possibly a 2 mm or less to fit correctly. And that's it. That's how I crochet button flowers.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.